Online visibility for your business, why it matters, and where to start. In the world of marketing, visibility is everything. Think of Times Square in New York. Although there are thousands of adverts in bright neon light, your eyes are immediately drawn to the tallest, brightest, and most catchy advert on display. The same is true of digital marketing. You want your content to be the first on display with the catchiest message and the most attractive layout. If you are new to this channel, we regularly post tips about growing your business, attracting fully automatically your ideal client to create a constant cash flow using our formula we call confident cash flow. If you are interested in content like that, subscribe to this channel and hit on that bell. How do you do that? Look at your marketing assets. This is a multi-pronged task. You need to be the most relevant product or service with the highest visibility. Your marketing assets start with your branding. What is attractive about your brand? Attractiveness can be anything from a unique product or service or something that satisfies a very specific need. This could be designer clothing or the ability to unblock a drain with an hour's response time. Your marketing assets can include videos, testimonials, newsletters, blog posts, podcasts, or anything else that could entice a potential customer to choose your business. Look at your stats. This cannot be stressed enough. There are plenty of paid and free tools to use to see who you are attracting, when, where, why, and how. Use Google Analytics. Sign up to Siteball, Screaming Frog, or ShrimRush. Drill down as far as you can and look at the number of visitors, sessions, bounce rates, and why they leave, click-through ratios, and more. Making sense of these numbers and raw data can be daunting, but these programs are built to present data in a human and understandable way. Take the time to learn how to use the platforms and you will see real results swiftly. Find the gap with the competition and close it. Finding the gap between you and your competition can be as simple as running a search and seeing where you place compared to your competition. You can use the tools mentioned earlier to get an in-depth analysis, but in truth, it's as simple as running that search and measuring the gap in terms of placement. Look at your competitors' content. Do as much as they do, only better. Over time, you will close the gap and overtake them. At FairTech, we've created a blueprint that helps you identify your fastest way to crash through the right online marketing efforts to feed your business. The goal is to reach into more consistent cash flow so you can scale your business. We introduce learners to our 12 pillars that we use to make our clients successful. It helps you identify where you are and start working on the next best step for your business. Those strategies that will give you the fastest way to cash. To learn more about our blueprint, click in the link in the description to arrange for a free consultation. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at synchronize your SEO throughout your entire marketing. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more videos like this, please subscribe and don't forget to like, share, comment, or post your questions. We answer them in the next Q&A video.